So what we'll do now is that when the UFO collects all the gold pieces, then we want the music to stop. Again, there are many ways to do this, but you just have to find what works for you, and if it works, then cool. So what we need to do is, yep, we need to go back to the code. So let's go to player, and then we will go edit script, or just go into your uh, C# complete player controller script. So the first thing to do is, okay, so where are we gonna put this? So again, the place to put it is here, void set count text on this function. So one more time, this function tells you that do this when all the pieces are collected. So that's exactly where we want to do that. So in order to do this, we follow along with me. We need to create a game object. Okay, we need to create a game object called, let's call it music player. Okay, because the play, because the player controller needs to know what it's going to destroy. So let's see. So in here, we will type in. Okay, let's see. So just so we're on the same page, stop music by deleting the game object. And what we'll do is, so the game object music player, yes, music player is equal to game object, and now we will find the game object with tag and music player, music player. So you guessed it. It's kind of similar. So it's telling C# is telling Unity, the script is telling Unity, well, find, if this happens, find the tag music player, the game object with the tag music player, and like we said before, destroy that music player. We don't want it there anymore. So that's it. Okay, so that looks okay. So again, one more time, game object music player, and then these two lines of code. So the music player is equal to the game object, then find that game object with tag, and then find that game object with tag music player, and then destroy it. So let's save, and then let's go back to Unity. Now in Unity, what we want to do is we want to create that music player tag and tag it into the music player object. So obviously there's no music player tag, so we need to create one. So let's go to plus music player. Time music player. Okay, music player. Okay, so music player, and then we tag it music player, and yeah, I think that should be it. So let's try that out. See if it works. Okay, sounds are being collected. Edges sounds are good too. Yep. So that definitely, see, the music player game object is gone, right? So that's exactly what happened. So yep, our game is taking more shape at this moment. So in the next video, we will add some sounds to the UFO while he's cruising, and that will give a little more fullness to the game. Okay, so see you in the next video.